Hi, this is Isaac Hickerson with Hudson Incorporated, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about manually drawing a field with multiple polygons and interior portions. So to do that, we want to go to Setup tab and go to Land. And then once we're in the Land tab, we're going to see the Add button here. So I'm going to add a client farm in here, field here real quick. So once I have that done, I'll hit save. And then I'll go add again. And now we're going to add a boundary. And so I'm going to draw new today. You could do from a previous operation if you had some as applied data. I'm going to go next. And then I'm going to scroll in and find where that field would be. So let's say we're going to draw these three brown portions right here. So in order to start drawing, I need to draw polygon tool. And so I get my cursor there, and then whenever I click, it drops my first point, and I just continue to click, and it's going to follow me. I'm going to draw this first polygon here. And to close it out, I click on that first point, just like I would in the video of drawing just one boundary. And so that is ready. I would name it. It says my active boundary, but now I want to add another one. So click on my Draw Polygon tool, zoom in here a little more. And again, I'm just quickly drawing this. If I was being serious, I would kind of take my time. But you notice this one's yellow. So I'm going to go down here. It's because it thinks it's an interior boundary. I'm going to tell it that we have an exterior boundary here. And then I'm going to keep going, adding these other pieces. Close that one out. Again, it thinks it's an interior. Switch that to an exterior, and then add my final piece right here. So again, to add those extra polygons, you just continue to click and add the polygon tool. Okay, so now I have my four pieces. I'm going to pretend like, let's say we had a group of trees in this field. So I would say, okay, those are right here. I'm going to draw those exteriors out. Since it's trees, I would keep it as passable, but let's say we had we see this waterway here, and I want to add it. So again, select my polygon tool. I'm going to draw this waterway out real quick. And so now, again, it's yellow because it's interior, but this time it is passable on the waterway, but on my trees here, I want to tell it that it is not passable because I don't want anything driving through trees. So if I zoom out, you see now that it is purple, even though it's interior, I have a yellow interior, which means it's passable. So that is how you go about drawing multiple polygons. You just keep clicking draw polygon, add those in. Same thing for an interior. You draw it out in the middle, tell it whether it is passable or impassable. You make sure you name it, and then you can save that. And now it is a part of your client farm field tree.